Guys, let's just unpack on the case. Khumbula the SASSA case where people were busy. The SASSA employees, abasebenzi bodwa, they also work with other people to create fake profiles. Badla u-260 million, guys. And kuthiwa mawusukhanda lo 260 million ubuzobhadala abantu mhlambe children or abantu abadala about 44,000. Is there anything like this, man, guys? Imali engaka. I'm just like, and then you walk around busy namakhadi until basibabanja. Remember I said on my other video where I'm talking about SASSA ngapha eJabulani Mall batholakala lapho with an Ethiopian man who was sitting in the car. Bona baphethe amakhadi baloke bethenga nje eShoprite, baloke bethenga nje eShoprite, beshintsha amakhadi nalelinye ikhadi sithi hayi baze bathi eShoprite ngeke. There's something here. It was two ladies. Then they went and told the manager of Shoprite, manager fonela amaphoyisa. Afika same time, they didn't even take time. Those police officers, they were here. Bamthatha ubrothers who was in the parking lot to Ethiopian National, bathi bhuti asambe nosisi bakho abangaphakathi at the shopping zone nisitshele kahle ukuthi what is this? Niyasenga nje thina. You are just buying. So sisi laba abangaphakathi at Shoprite, they were like, no, uphandle. Osiphethe thina. So you're about it's actually a very huge syndicate. It's not just 2, 3, 4, 5 people. So it's 10 that actually appeared in court again, like I had said 2 weeks ago. And then mesekuzoba khona the 11th one. Okwaqala ngokuthi no, he's on leave. He's on leave. No, he's been on the run ever since. So fugitive basically. Uthabo Bester, when Uthabo Bester benunandi parena way to go to Tanzania. The only difference with this one is just South Africa. Bam bam. He's actually like one of the biggest people here that work for SASSA. Chances are he's one of the people that came up with the idea. We can do this and this and this. We can open profiles and we singabanje abantu abarich. Guys, how wrong is this? It's so wrong in so many ways. So so they were trying to get bail again. And the bail every time by postpone. 9 of the 11 people that were actually arrested to date, 9 of them are SASSA employees. It's half of the children at FNB Stadium. Half of FNB Stadium. Guys. Like imali intshontshiwe basically, like I explained, and it could have been 44,000 people of child grant. Imagine. It's just selfish and cruel.